Experiencing Rogers internet issues? Let's fix it. First, identify the problem. Is it your modem, your Wi-Fi, or a widespread outage? Start with the basics. Power cycle your modem. Unplug it for 30 seconds, then plug it back in. Check the modem's lights. Solid lights mean it's online. Blinking indicates an issue. For Wi-Fi problems, ensure your modem is centrally located and away from interference. Use the Rogers app to manage your Wi-Fi network and optimize settings. Finally, check for outages using the Rogers website or app. According to Rogers data, 70% of problems are solved with these simple steps. Remember, Rogers has significantly improved network reliability with fiber upgrades, so these basic checks are often all you need. Still having trouble? Ensure your modem firmware is up to date via the Rogers My Account app. Consider using a Wi-Fi mesh system for better coverage throughout your home. If outages persist, Rogers is investing heavily in AI-driven diagnostics and fiber expansion for fewer interruptions. The Smart Care app can auto-diagnose modem issues. As of 2025, Rogers reports 99.8% uptime nationally, but rural areas may still experience intermittent service. By 2027, Rogers aims for 100% fiber coverage and is exploring 6G readiness by 2030 to eliminate outages through predictive maintenance. For complex issues, Rogers offers 24/7 chat support. If these steps don't resolve the problem, it might be time to contact Rogers directly for further assistance.